What's up, folks? Today, we're talking about a new player in the SUV game, the Renault Rafale, coming to us in 2024. This isn't just another SUV, it's a sleek, sexy, electrified addition to Renault's lineup. Following the success of the Austral and E-Space, Renault is unveiling the Rafale, a sleek coupe SUV. After many rumors, the camouflaged prototype finally made its SPY debut in 2024, and it's here to shake things up. The Rafale is not just a variant of the Austral. It's bringing its own unique, aggressive style, with Renault's new design language. It features LED headlights that reach down into the front bumper, thicker than those in rival Peugeot models. For those seeking a sportier look, the flagship Esprit Alpine trim will likely offer sporty bumpers, larger alloy wheels, and special badges. The tail end is completely redesigned with a coupe SUV stance, featuring toned-up shoulders and a sleek, inclined rear glass. Elongated LED taillights point to Renault's emblem, and dual spoilers add an extra touch of style. Inside, we expect a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster, a 12-inch infotainment touchscreen, and a 9.3-inch head-up display. To add to the premium feel, we may see 48-color ambient lighting and a 12-speaker Harman Kardon sound system. The Rafale will sit on the latest evolution of the CMF-CD architecture, giving it a wheelbase of 2,738mm. This should make for a sexy profile and a roomy interior. The length of this coupe SUV is expected to be somewhere between 4,510mm and 4,722. Now, let's talk power. Renault confirmed that the Rafale will feature E-Tech hybrid engines, including a self-charging hybrid producing 197 horsepower and 205 Nm of torque. We might also see a more powerful plug-in hybrid, but no fully electric variants as Renault uses a different platform for EVs. The Rafale will make its world premiere on June 18, with a market launch slated for late 2023 or early 2024. It's set to compete with the likes of the Peugeot 408 Fastback and even premium offerings like the Mercedes GLC Coupe, BMW X4, and Audi Q5 Sportback. That's it for now, folks. What do you think about the upcoming Renault Rafale? Can it hold its own against its competitors? Will you consider getting one? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a like if you found it interesting, and hit that subscribe button to stay updated with the latest car news. Thanks for watching.